In this video, you can see how to install and operate two WhatsApp apps on the same smartphone. If this is your first time to our channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates. So let's get started with the video. You can see on this screen, I have one WhatsApp already installed on my phone. To install another WhatsApp, we need to click and open Settings application on the phone. Next, we need to click this Apps tab on the screen. And again, we need to click Dual Apps tab that's visible on this screen. And here, on this Dual Apps screen, we need to click WhatsApp tab. Here on this screen, we need to click and activate this toggle button for Dual Apps setup. And you can see a notification stating that WhatsApp icon have been added on the phone home screen. We can confirm the second app on the home screen. Here, this is the first or the primary WhatsApp. And this icon with a lock on it is the second WhatsApp. We need to add and set up the second WhatsApp with the phone number and verification process, along with profile setup and agreeing terms and condition for WhatsApp chat usage. And done with the second WhatsApp setup. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment and share the video to your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click bell icon.